Hey, so today we're going to be packing for our Alaskan cruise. Okay, so I have a list on my phone of everything that I want to remember to bring, and I have a bunch of my clothes just like right here. And I am going to bring more clothes than this. These are just kind of like the basics. So we're going on this cruise in August, so it is going to be pretty nice everywhere we're going. But I am going to pack for cooler weather. I did look at the weather, and it's in the 60s. So, and we are going to be cruising through Tracy, Ford, however you say that. You know, if we're out on the deck or something through there, I know that day will be pretty cold. So I am going to bring a little bit more things for colder weather, mainly for that day. Okay, so the first thing is just a hat. Of course, just like a basic pair of pants, just some like black jeans. And I'm also gonna bring some other jeans, I just don't have them here right now. And as far as other pants, I'm gonna bring a few pairs of just like yoga pants, just for, you know, the more comfy, relaxing times, and maybe even for some of the ports. I wear these, I feel like, on every single trip I go on. I don't even know why, I don't know. They're just a black pair of stretchy yoga pants. I've had them just forever, I feel like. And I always try to fold my clothes just like really tight so I can really pack as much crap in here as possible. So of course, more yoga pants, more jeans. These are just kind of the basics for now, until I do a load of laundry. So there are formal nights on the ship. So I'm just bringing this like black dress. It's just like a super basic black dress. And I'm just realizing that everything I've even showed so far is like all black clothing. I guess I don't have a lot of bright colored clothes. So with that black dress, I'll probably either wear these like just sandals that honestly I just got from Walmart, or I will wear these super cute shoes. Okay, so I did order a raincoat on Amazon and it's supposed to be here tomorrow, so I might end up replacing this jacket with that raincoat as long as it fits okay. It's just super comfy, super cozy. And also a funny story about this sweater is so for shoes, I'm also going to be bringing like tennis shoes, my hiking boots, and probably a pair of sandals just in case we get into the hot tub or something like that and I don't want to put my soggy little feet in my tennis shoes after getting out of a hot tub. Okay, so on to the actual like items now. So my husband just bought me this film camera. So I'm going to be bringing my camera and of course the film. Another thing you don't want to forget is all your documentation. So I just have this like little zip baggie that I think I just got from like Dollar Tree or something. My husband doesn't have a passport, so his birth certificate's in there. I'm bringing mine just in case, even though I have my passport, but if you don't have a passport, you will need your birth certificate as your form of like formal identification. So the next few items is mainly just because we are flying there. And so what I bring is, I bring my Galaxy Pods to have earbuds on the plane, and I'm also gonna be doing a couple Zoom calls on vacation. So the earbuds will be pretty handy. And another thing that I always end up forgetting to do, and you could just bring one or the other, but if you're gonna be on a plane that has one of those TVs on the back of the seats, don't forget to bring your corded earbuds, because The ones I've been on, you can't connect like wireless earbuds to them or anything. So if you're wanting to watch like movies or shows provided on the airplane, then you'll want the corded headphones. So the next items are just a couple of books. I'm not a huge reader, but sometimes on the plane I do like to read. And also I've heard that Alaska cruises are a little bit more laid back and more like relaxed time. So I am going to bring a couple books just in case I'm in the mood to just read, or we do have a balcony room, so in case I want to just sit out there and read and look at the scenery. That sounds pretty relaxing. The next thing is this One Line a Day book. It's a 5-year memory book, and I just bought this last year and I love it. So this memory book, I got it on Amazon, and so you'll just fill in the year and then keep going for the rest of the 5 years, and you just write like a little summary of what you did that day. It's just nice to look back and see what you were doing a year or 2 or 3 years ago today. I just love that kind of stuff, and I can put a link to this below to show you the exact one I got. So the next thing that we're gonna bring is binoculars, and I've been told too before that, you know, if you're going on an Alaskan cruise, definitely bring binoculars because there's going to be all kinds of stuff that you're going to want to get a closer look at. And so binoculars is another thing. Okay, so this next thing, I did not bring this on my first cruise, but our last cruise that we did, it was so handy to have. So this is just like a tumbler to just refill with water. We didn't have to go purchase a bunch of water bottles or anything like that. So it's just nice to have like a reusable tumbler for things like that. Okay, so the next things are just, you know, basic things like any medications, or I'm bringing some Dramamine and headache medicine, allergy medicine. And this other idea I actually got from another video that I watched about cruising. And it's not a bad idea, especially since we're going to like a cooler environment and people might be more prone to getting sick, to pack these emergencies, which is like a vitamin C daily immune support. You just pour it in some water. And I actually like drinking these, and I'm gonna bring them along. I mean, maybe it won't prevent me from getting sick or anything, but just, you know, to kind of help your immune system a little. So the next thing is I don't know what else to call it besides a selfie stick. It's not really a selfie stick that extends, but it's nice because you can put your phone in here, or you can twist it off and put your camera on it. And it has these little legs. It has these little legs that you can just like wrap around like a bar or something to hold it in place, and you can just take a picture of yourself if you want to get like a group shot or anything like that. Or, you know, it's just nice to be able to like, just instead of like holding your phone up, you have these like little legs that you can hold, and it might help extend it a little bit more. Okay, so something else that I always bring on any trip is plastic bags, or just bags to put like your dirty clothes in, things like that. I can't stand if I have to put my dirty clothes in with like the rest of my clean clothes. Ugh. Okay, so we'll put those in there. I will be bringing like little travel size shampoo and conditioners too, but the 2 cruises that we've been on, they have little shampoo and conditioner dispensers in the shower. So I'm still gonna bring my own just in case this cruise might be different or something, but the other cruises we've been on all provided that. Another thing that I usually bring, I probably won't on this cruise because we're not doing any excursions like in the water or anything like that, but on the more like tropical cruises, I do bring a waterproof little box. And I think you can find those usually like in the camping section. But if we were doing an excursion where we were going to be kayaking or things like that, I would bring along that waterproof box. Okay, so that's the main necessities that I always bring. A few other tips that I have heard from other YouTube videos that I've watched about what to bring on cruises is magnetic hooks, because there's not a lot of places like you know, if you want to hang your swimsuit up or towels, and especially because we're going to be in a cabin with 4 people, there's not going to be a lot of places probably to hang our shower towels or wet swimsuits or things like that. So those magnetic hooks probably would come in really handy, because apparently the side of the cruise walls are magnetic. So you can just put a magnet hook up on the wall and it should work fine. I'm curious what I didn't mention in this video that you guys usually bring. So comment below if you have any good tips or anything else.